Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your vehicle auto shutoff in the 2022 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Line 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this vehicle is equipped with a vehicle auto shutoff. So our cars have been running quite quiet nowadays, and unfortunately there's been some people who have left their vehicle running overnight, even in their driveway or their garage, not realizing it's still running. Even when you go to leave the vehicle with the key and the vehicle has a very shrill beep to let you know that the key has left the vehicle while it's still running, or at least the electricity's running, but unfortunately somehow it gets missed. So what they've done is started to do a vehicle auto shutoff. So if I were to leave the vehicle and forget that it's still running, the vehicle will start a countdown to shut itself off. So you'll see on the instrument panel right now, you've got a countdown timer there to let me know when the vehicle is going to shut off. So I'm sitting in the vehicle right now, and if I were to either tap the brake or just show the vehicle by putting it in drive that I'm in the vehicle and using it, that countdown will go away. But if I were to open the door, even while I'm sitting here, and close the door again, that timer is going to start just in case I didn't realize it was still running. So what we're going to do is I'm going to tap the brake to make it go away. I'm going to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through the instrument panel to change the setting. So I'm going to go to user settings. I'm going to go down into convenience and press OK. And then at the very bottom here, you have vehicle auto shutoff. So if I hit OK on that, you can actually change the timing from 30 minutes to 60 minutes if you needed to, or you can turn it off. Now, turning it off though will only be for this specific drive. So now if I opened a door, it's not going to go ahead and start the countdown timer because I turned it off. But it will reset itself the next time I turn the vehicle off and then on again. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you, guys.